Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for March 30th, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see the rally from last week continue today as stocks closed higher by about 3% overall. The Dow was higher by 690 points. The S&P 500 was higher by 85, and the NASDAQ gaining 271 points. That was a little over 3.5%. While the Russell 2000 finished higher by 26 points. Now, we are still at risk here of rolling over. We can easily retest this downsloping 20 and then turn over. So don't be fooled by today's rally. It can certainly continue. I'm not saying it can't. It certainly can. There's a lack of overhead resistance here until we get a little higher, at least up until the 25,000 area on the Dow, but the 20 can act as overhead resistance. So the bond market today pulling back, and the yield on the 10-year note closing at 0.688%. Crude oil fell another $1.21 or 5.6%, while gold also pulling back today, losing $12.40 or 1.2%. The US dollar did bounce off Friday's lows. Now, Microsoft today had a nice bounce, about 7% overall. And this is because they announced that their cloud services have really gotten a lift from all these people working at home during this coronavirus lockdown. Their Team app has added 12 million daily users in just 1 week, and could add a lot more as this lockdown continues. So right now, today, that was a really nice bounce here. Took out this recent high near 156, and this could be back on its way to its highs. But again, keep in mind that if the overall market sells off, Microsoft will most likely follow. But for now, looks good for a continuation of this move higher near term. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.